Okay, counting significant figures. There's really two methods to this. The first method is, if we look at an example like this, is in red, you can clearly see that the leading zeros never count as significant, okay? Now, what about here in the middle with the green? You can clearly see that any sandwich zeros always count. They're always significant. And then finally, the yellow here, we can see trailing zeros only count if a decimal is present before that. Okay, that's how we count significant figures. Now, when we're looking at scientific notation, anything on the left side of the multiplication sign is considered always significant, always significant. So all of those are significant. And obviously the 10 times 10 to the power is never significant, not significant, okay? Now, method number two is simple. You can write your number inside the United States, and this is what we call the present or absent. Present or absent, what? The decimal point. So if it has a present, we're going to consider that the Pacific. If it's absent, we're going to consider that the Atlantic. So if you write your number on the inside, let's start with the green example here. If you have a decimal present in your number, you're going to start counting from the left side, from the Pacific side. And you're going to basically count until you hit your first non-zero digit. From there, you start counting. Any digits after that are all considered significant. So we have one significant figure, two significant figures. Okay. Now, alternatively, if you don't have a decimal point, absent, we're going to consider that Atlantic. So we're going to start counting from the Atlantic side, and we're going to count until you hit your first non-zero digit, which is this 5 right here. From there, you count every single number after that, and we're going to have one, two, and three significant figures. So that's the two simple methods to counting significant figures.